There, a little half seat there. There you go. Good. Very good. Excellent, Jenna. Good. Work a little bit there. Keep the half seat. Keep waiting. Patient, patient. Great. Good. Good. Walk a second. Don't worry, the officer. Keep waiting for it and trust that you'll fit 6. That was beautiful. Good. Just straight. Good. Good. I like that she added there.
Yeah, I didn't trust it, but she didn't.
But you see that she's smart enough. Good. Beautiful. That looks very good. Great. Good. Great, Jenna. Good. Half seat there. Keep working a little. Stay patient.
Shit, sorry.
That's fine. Good. Now work in the corner there. Half seat, and half halt. Good. Whoa-ing. Good. Work there. Keep the half seat. Keep bending her a little bit. No pressure. Okay. Good. Walk a second. And I just want to canter that little jump on the angle one time.